That's the spirit. Coming up to the next, that is up to 1400cc category. Coming in first, Mohammad Yusuf, you can stay back here. Coming in second is Lakshay Veer. Coming in third is Phil Mathai. Phil. I think the car was being cooled down in this particular round.
No, sir, your judge of facts was speaking.
The novice category winner in this category is Mohit Kuntia, Akhil Brar, Dr. Amit Gupta. Can I have all three of you here, please? It's Mohammad Gulta third, Akhil Brar second, and Dr. Amit Gupta third, first. Up to 1400cc. और मैम ऊपर आ जाओ, अखिल बार सेकंड। मैम आना पड़ेगा, ऐसे नहीं मिलेगा। मोहित यूएस नंबर 3। डॉक्टर अमित गुप्ता। Okay. Third can be given here, and the second to ma'am, she can carry it. Next coming up is the up to 1600cc category. We have Phil Mathai coming in first. Phil, up to 1600cc category. The novice in the up to 1600cc category is Ashish. Novice, Mr. Ashish, is he around? First, sir, first. The other two participants in your category packed up, so there is nobody in the second and third. So you can enjoy the podium alone. अकेले आए हैं. The most awaited. No, sir. We have the last. The most awaited, the zip category, the overall fastest. The overall fastest in the zip category. Starting bottom up, Harvinder Bhola, Team Thunderbolt, coming in third. Coming in second, Mohammad Yusuf. Mohammad coming in first, Phil Mathai, Team Thunderbolts, 1600cc. Yusuf in the up to 1400cc. Harvinder in the above 1600cc.
Stop frowning, Philip.
The lights are too bright.
Thank you.
No. Wait. You know, we've got certain amount of cash prizes for the overall fastest, but for the first in the overall fastest, Anko is very kind enough to give tires. I'm pretty sure your Zen can't take any more tires for the last amount of tires I've given you anymore. So I will request the Anko people to actually let him get the tires from some other car. Sir, he's already won for 3 specific cars, so he already has about 8 tires for his Zen. Okay. So, this time is a Swift. Yeah, this time is a Swift, right? It's not a Zen, right? So the first overall gets tires from Hamco, 4 in number. Mr. Sachin would, if you could pass on the card, sir. This is for Swift, sir. I would request you, Phil, that it's not very far off. It's very near. You just have to drive down to Karol Bagh, pass on the card to the gentleman there, and take away your tires. And please do that. Yeah. And for the second and third, please, after the PD is over, collect from the CRO your checks for your cash prizes. Thank you so much. It's been a pleasure having you guys. Coming down to the Zap category. Sudev, are you sure there's one leaflet only for the Zap category? Okay, fine. Up up to 1400cc category. Before I do this, I want to thank some more people, because I'm pretty sure after this you will all just pack your bags and leave. For motorsports to be what it is and the kind of presentations we do to you, I like to thank a father and son duo here. Manavir, you can now pass on the camera to somebody else behind you. These two, this father and son are there everywhere. And the kind of photography they do. Then we've got Rishabh, our official photographer. Rishabh, if you can come up. No, you have to, because there's a reason I'm doing this, please. You have to come up. Manavir, if you could come up, please. Both of you, please. I would actually, we now requesting them to tell you about their Facebook pages and where they're going to put these photographs up, because all of you guys call us. These are the guys who are the official photographers. These are the guys who will be carrying all the photos. If you're looking for something, it's their page, you like it, they tell you where you can find it, and you can actually have access. I'll introduce you. Manavir. Oh sir, khado hote koi nahi. Rishabh. Senior Sab. Manavir. And I'll just pass it. Rishabh, if you would tell them your Facebook page and things like that, so that they can know what's happening.
Anyways, the photographs from Speedsprint also go on the Speedsprint page, but otherwise you can check my page, which is photography-Rishabh Nagpal, or my website, which is rishabhnagpal.com, and I think that's about it. But of course, the Speedsprint photographs will also come on the Speedsprint website and on the Facebook page as well. Yeah.
Manavir will also be putting his page photographs onto the Speedsprint page. These both have driven down from Chandigarh. And this guy is flown in from Bangalore. And we don't pay these guys. Let's be very honest. It's for the passion, yeah. And they've been with us from day one. And it's amazing as to how, we come for a recce a day before, and we find them doing a recce before even we are doing it. It's nice to actually look for those right shots. He's actually got Phil Mathias' door flying off. It's once in a lifetime chance to see a car losing a door midway, and he's caught that photograph. Thank you guys. It's been a pleasure having you guys. Please continue your good work. Motorsports needs people like you. Thank you so much. Coming down to the ZAP category, up to 1400cc category. Coming in third, Krishikant Yadav. Coming in second is Phil Mathia, Team Thunderbolt. Coming in first is Sanjay Sikand. Team BG. Sanjay, have I got that right? Yes, sir. Right. Second, right? You're right. Okay. Oh. Farhan, if we can have you back again. Just 4-5 more efforts to make. Anybody who's here for Yadav side can collect his trophy? Anybody who knows him? Krishikant Yadav? Huh? I don't know whether he's Rishi. Is there somebody here? Okay. Mohammed, please. मुझे नहीं पता okay. Okay. So you can, if you want to carry it for him. और अच्छा you can Mohammed, even he's a friend, he can carry it if you want. और आप दे देना, एक ही बात. In the open category, coming in second is Mr. Sanjay Sikand, Team BG. Coming in first is Robbie Bowal, Team Thunderbolt.